Working with Atari ST emulation and have an MSA disk image to access, these files preserve Atari ST software for retro computing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open Magic Shadow Archiver files for Atari ST emulation. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized MSA file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. Users encounter .msa files when they save the output of a Microsoft Access object, such as a report or query, to a file. This format is often used for archiving or sharing specific data views without sending the entire database, but it can be confusing as it's not a standard, widely supported format. The .msa file is a proprietary binary container designed by Microsoft to encapsulate the rendered output of an Access object. It preserves the layout, formatting, and data as it appeared at the time of saving. This design prioritizes fidelity to the original Access view over cross-platform compatibility or data interchange. Most installations default to associating Microsoft Access from Microsoft Corporation with MSA. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. We are performing a quick elimination test. Right-click the MSA file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Access is present, test it now. If not, choose another application. One of them is the key. When your MSA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, loading in Atari emulators. Use Atari ST emulators like Hatari from hatari.tuxfamily.org or Steam SSE from steam.atari.st, which support MSA disk images directly. Mount the MSA file as a floppy drive in the emulator to access Atari ST software. The emulators provide complete Atari ST experiences, enabling original software execution on modern computer hardware. Next, converting to standard formats. Convert MSA files to ST format. The more common Atari ST disk image format, using utilities like MSA Converter from various Atari emulation websites. ST files work with broader emulator compatibility and provide more portable disk image storage. Maintain both MSA and ST versions for flexibility across different emulation platforms and tools. Finally, software preservation. Contribute to Atari ST software preservation through projects like Atari Mania or Powit.net by archiving MSA files of legitimate software collections. Document software origins and original media when creating MSA archives. The collaborative preservation efforts ensure continued availability of historical Atari ST software for future generations of retro computing enthusiasts and researchers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.